The graph of y equals sine of x is shown in black. So here's sine of x. We want to graph the new curve in blue by clicking and dragging the points to new points. So first we have a vertical shift up by 4, a horizontal shift right by pi 6, and a vertical stretch or shrink factor by 3. So I want to start with our general form. The first thing we're given, because we do have to write the equation, is a vertical shift up by 4. So that's d. d is plus 4. We're going to move our graph up 4. So here's sine. It's a 0, 0. If we add 4, that point is up there at 4. Okay, I like to do horizontal shift last, so I'm going to jump here to a vertical stretch of 3. Come on, change for me. That's our amplitude. So A is 3. And that means I want 3 units above the midline and 3 below. So if I'm up here at 4, how many is 3 above that? It needs to go up to 7, and 3 below would come down to 1. So this yellow one moves it up. We're at 7. Look at my y-axis. And then it's down at 1. The period stays. It doesn't say anything about the period, so I'm not touching the red dot. But there is a horizontal shift right by pi 6. So our phase shift equals positive pi 6. And so when I move that on the graph, right now it's at 0. We're going to go right till it's at pi 6, right there. So our graph's done. Now we need to write the equation. We have A, B, and C. So B equals 1 because our period is still 2 pi. Our period never changed. The period is B. Remember, our phase shift is C over B. Okay, well, B's 1. So pi 6 is C. That's our shift value because B's 1. It's just the actual value. So let's write that in. Y equals 3 is our amplitude. Sine, we didn't have a change in period, so it's just x. And it's minus pi 6. Remember, it's minus because that's in the equation, and the pi 6 is positive. So it's always the opposite sign. And then our midline is 4.